Slack, it's a tool, and that's why you need to understand how to use this tool effectively for effective communication. So number one, how the Slack created is using threads. I'll give you an example. Let's go to our random channel where we, by the way, I strongly recommend to have a random channel where you can share some random stuff, jokes, mess around with people in that channel, just like channel for fun. As you can see here, for example, I made a post, and this whole thing, as you can see, it's highlighted differently. This is my message. So you can answer below, and if you answer below, it will create another thread. So the better option is to click on this message and click on this icon, reply to thread, or click on if there's replies already, you can click there or click on reply to thread, and it will open the new window where you can add your reply. Why it's important? Because it will group all messages together, and you don't create bunch of different threads where your conversation is breaking different messages and somebody replied to one message and didn't reply to another, and the logic of the whole conversation is broken. So extremely important to reply to specific message. And there's one trick. What you can do, let's say, if you want to reply in a thread, but also you want to post to the channel, you type in example, for example, here, and you click also send to random. So basically, it's a sending reply to this thread, and also it goes here. But basically, it goes both ways, and everybody can see it. In the next video, we'll be using the tagging best practices.